What's up, bro? The fuck is going on, Profit? Profit, what's up, my dude?
We rocking.
Man, shit,
we
man.
tearing the block apart. About to step in 95.5. I hope you tune in at 9 p.m. because it's gonna get real. We smacking the earth with this Bangladesh.
CSG in the building. Keep it real, you know what I'm saying? Real simple, real plain, like a flying plane for real. But you know, we gonna talk about this new mixtape we got out. Too Real the mixtape. It's been doing numbers. Shout out to DJ Tony Rez. What else? We talking about Bangladesh, new single out on iTunes.
And shout out to Big
Spotify.
Rob.
Go get that. Yeah. And shout out to Big Rob. Shout out to Vanessa. Shout out to everybody.
Man, we just know what type time it is. It ain't no time for the games or to play fake.
Fix your face and let it get real familiar. Coming up at 9 o'clock. You know what it is, New Music Monday, man. I got the gang in the building, man. I got some real savage guards in the building, man. I got Wali Bird in the building. I got Da Profit in the building. And they gonna speak to you. You understand what I'm saying? Don't go nowhere. Fix your face, cut your radios up. It's WPGC 95.5. What up, DMV? It's about to go down. It's Monday. Fix your face, cut your radios up. New Music Monday in the building. Got a few artists in the building. I'm gonna let them introduce themselves. What's your name, man? Introduce yourselves, man.
Man, it's CSG, the label. You can follow us at CSG Music Group. You know what I'm saying? It's Wali Bird.
And man, so the Profit.
There it is, man. It's about to go down. So, is this a group or is this a collaboration? What is this, man?
Well, we the label.
We the label.
We the label.
So y'all independent artists. That's right. It's coming together to do a project.
Yeah, exactly.
Simple as that, man. So I know y'all got a mixtape out because I was a one.
Man.
I kind of hosted the mixtape.
Yeah.
You know.
The mixtape doing numbers right now. It's on Spinrilla. It's on my mixtape. It's called TWO Real, Too Real. You know what I'm saying?
Look that up.
Too Real mixtape, man. Make sure you download it because you know your man Tony Rez, AK was the 24/7. Put his mumbo sauce, ketchup, and salt and pepper.
Fix them up. Fix them up.
This thing on it too, man. We love talking about how much, you know, man, was fixing their faces. And it was perfect.
They love that on the mixtape, huh?
Hey, so let's do this. Won't y'all go ahead and introduce your single to the DMV? Let's get into it and let's tee up, man.
It's called Bangladesh. You know what I'm saying? We released this track back in 2017 in September. Now we're re-releasing it for y'all. So Bangladesh, man. So we'll take it on that.
We in 2016, right?
2017.
Watch it rain, sexual healing, watch it wear pain. When I get riches, I'ma stay the same. Still in the planet, pyramid in the rain. Flies a flight of Phoenix, Final Fantasy.
Black bears on a Bangladesh. When I used to chill, I was making less. Now I'm out here with no grass.
This is not a dream. This is not a dream, no. More like a movie scene, bro. And I ain't never had a long nose. I was told to tread slow on the ice. Took a long turn down the dirt road. Wrong cold. Never tried Chinese Bronco. She riding up our wrong soda, try to entice. All spoke up, put up a fight. Purple rain, need a polish.
Spinning on the scribble. Mixing up the grizzlies. Hey, baby, that's y'all like hard as hell.
That's what I'm trying to take.
Make it rain, watch it rain. It's all about how a song make you feel, you know what I mean? The song don't make you feel a certain kind of way. Yeah, we shouted it out. It's in Prentice Safe.
Hey, let's go get something to eat for real, though, man.
Might as well go to diner.
It's a celebration.
Peace, Queen. Appreciate you.
No problem.
We're going to be doing more business soon.
Oh,
you know
definitely. I
that.
got parties coming up.
With the Miss
You got
Vanessa.
some parties coming up?
You know what I'm saying?
See, man, it's
Parties
all
coming
about
up.
how you lay down the platform. When you lay down the platform and then people be like,
A lot happening. You know? A lot of production.
I'm gonna stand.
oh, all right, stand.
All
All
right.
right, back.
Bye, y'all.
All right, peace.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.